Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best biscuit and plate joiners that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best biscuit and plate joiners. Biscuit joiners are a tool that not every shop owner uses. They can be a bit intimidating since they're so uncommon. But it doesn't have to be that way. Our reviews of the best biscuit joiners of 2020 are designed to demystify these tools. It's also not always easy to shop online. It can be hard to tell if you know everything you need to know about a product before you buy. Number 5. Makita XJPO3Z 18V Cell XT Lithium-ion Cordless Plate Joiner. Rack and pinion vertical fence system engineered for accurate fence adjustments. Cordless plate joiner provides portability. Main features: easy centering on 3/4 of an inch material. Large and easy to operate. Cast aluminum pivot fence. Number 4. Funhouse 8.5 amp wood biscuit plate joiner. Make quick, accurate biscuit cuts for super strong miter joints, T-joints, butt joints and edge-to-edge/corner joints with the 8.5 amp 120 volts biscuit joiner from Funhouse. Main features: dust collection, ergonomic design, adjustable fence. Number 3. Porter Cable Plate Joiner Kit 7 amp 557. Plate joiner kit handles a variety of wood and offers 7 different cutting settings. Industry-leading, super powerful 7 amp motor rotates blade at 10,000 RPM. Main features: measures 7 inches in height. Weighs 7.5 pounds. 4-inch blade. Number 2. Open 8.5 amp biscuit cutter plate joiner. Fit the dust bag to the joiner with a simple push-on connection. With a suction function that operates while the biscuit joiner is in use, it will keep the working area clear from flying debris. Main features: 2 years warranty. Easy operation. Dust collection. Number 1. Rex Betty Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner Kit. 3 adjustable fence positions at 0, 45 and 90 degrees. The angle knob allows you to adjust the fence angle and helps you to tackle edge to edge, end to edge. Main features: easy to quickly set height. 4-inch carbide tipped blade. Multiple biscuit sizes. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.